Realization is only attained by a devotee or a true believer and not one with a mastermind. Only the strong belief can take you to the destination. A true follower with an immense faith will find the shortest route to the salvation. If one wants to get liberated, the only thing he needs to do is to follow these words with an utmost devotion. That is it. The path to enlightenment consists of a bunch of words which need to be believed thoroughly. When someone starts to believe the words, the path to enlightenment is unfolded in front of him. I insist that it's the belief and devotion which guides you to the wisdom. No spiritual teacher ever says that the path to enlightenment starts with wisdom, it's with faith. The path to enlightenment starts and ends with faith. The one who desires to attain enlightenment needs to believe in those words. He needs to accept what he hears. He needs to get drowned into those words. If not, the doors of enlightenment will never be opened. To open the doors, you need to analyze deeply the words such as faith, belief and devotion. Contrastingly, if one just listens to these words with a heart full of faith, even without a deep analysis, he enters salvation. That's the easiest way of salvation. It's a long way by analyzing things. We always like to choose the easiest way. You came to this world in search of something. I tell you not to make it too long, instead to make it short and easy. People love to read short stories than long novels. Path to salvation becomes a short story only to a devotee. If one lacks the devotion and faith, the path is a novel to him, a novel of many pages which is too long to finish. So you might ask me, then why still it didn't become a short story to us? Why does it carry us this long? It's because your devotion is not complete yet. Your faith is insufficient. Actually, the enlightenment is a coincidence to a person who has fulfilled all the needs with an unshakable devotion. You still struggle because of your ego.